Your hat doesn't bother at all.
Tell them what you're doing.
Getting shot with a paintball in the leg.
Good.
How far do I go?
You could be anywhere from 3 inches to 10 feet.
Keep going?
That's up to you.
I'm scared.
That's probably good.
Okay.
Don't miss.
Ah! Wait. That's like at my face.
You got a mask on your face.
Okay.
Game over.
That was the wrong spot.
No, it isn't.
Okay, that hurts like a son of a bitch.
How would you?
How did that feel?
That didn't feel good.
The pain will go away if you hunt somebody down.
Damn! I'd take it if you take that pain and
That's
then you
quick.
shoot on someone else.
That's kind of cool, though. Sweet.
I'm on your hit list now.